We decided to take a very different approach to this change programme. We wanted to start a movement. We really approached this first and foremost as a cultural, behavioural and mindset change.
The future of telecommunications is being able to support the burgeoning demand on the network coming from innovations in technology. You look at Internet of Things, IoT, you look at blockchain, as well as the expansion in content, TV, broadband and wireless, and telco is going to need to be able to scale to meet this demand.
We're using service design to reimagine everything that IT does. The way we're applying this and the scale at which we're applying it is new and hasn't been done before. I mean, we've engaged 13,000 people across IT.
It's important that this is a scalable and sustainable program. This is not just a program that's based in the UK, this is global.
I became the Managing Director of IT for BT, and as I brought my new leadership team together, I wanted to have a completely fresh way of looking at the organisation and starting what I knew would be a 3 to 5 year transformation journey. I also wanted the whole organisation to think of itself as being in service of our customer, whether that be an internal customer or an external customer, and to take ownership and feel empowered. Da Vinci is a number of practices coming together, so it's human-centred design, it's service design, it's business capability-led enterprise architecture, and it's agile ways of working. I think often transformation programmes are approached through a cost-cutting lens, and they just feel like really hard work. We've had a number of them running in BT, as you would imagine, and people come out of steering groups feeling like they've gone 10 rounds with a prize fighter. People come out of a Da Vinci room smiling, laughing. They're tired, they've worked really hard, but they've enjoyed the experience. IT departments don't normally talk about feelings. We talk about data and we talk about science and we talk about analysis. But actually we wanted the experience of transformation to be the best it could be, so that our people feel we're taking care of them, we're thinking of them, we're putting them first along with our customers. And that's what I want IT to feel like. Human centricity for me is just putting the human being at the heart of everything you do. Too often I think technology teams start with technology and try and work out what the human being can possibly do with that. That's the wrong way around. Deeply understand what that human being is thinking, feeling, seeing and doing, what their pain points are and challenges are, and how you can help them resolve those.
So a co-design approach, what that involves is actually bringing the consumer of the service into the design and production of the service itself, so that dialogue that's established will create a much more valid and meaningful outcome for the consumer of those services. And it lays the groundwork for a much better relationship.
What From Here On do is bring together a collection of practices to really help transform an organisation, but then equip that organisation to continue the transformation journey itself. So bringing together a human-centred mindset, service design, enterprise architecture, and a fantastic approach to comms and adoption and change hits the real sweet spot in how to engage a large organisation in a significant transformation like ours.
This will fundamentally change the way we think, the way we work, and our relationship with our consumers.
The CIO has to think of him or herself as in service of the organisation and its broader strategy. The answer can't be no. It should be yes and the way you deliver change for an organisation has to be through strong partnership, and using human-centred service design as a vehicle for that partnership is the only way forward. One of the light bulb moments we've had is when engineers have gone out, used human-centred service design techniques to go and interview customers, and they've been completely surprised by what they've learnt, in so much that it has taken a service off our service catalogue and added 3 new ones. I think we've now introduced BT to human-centred service design, and it's here to stay. It'll be the way we do everything. If you imagine us standing up a set of AI services, the way we will do that is by sending it through the Da Vinci lifecycle. We won't introduce any change now into this organisation without using the human-centred approach. It was fantastic working with the From Here On team. They brought such a huge amount of energy to our transformation journey. I think anyone who is wanting to reimagine the way they're perceived by their customer, who wants to inspire their team in a really fresh, new way around a transformation journey, should get in touch with From Here On.